channel. I am so excited for today's workout, and if you are very new to working out, this could be a great one for you. We're going to do it in lots of different layers so you can make it as difficult or as just simple as you want it today. So this is for absolutely everybody. It is a yoga circuit style, flex your body, feel good workout. So if this is your very first time, or if you have not already subscribed to the channel, I want you guys to do me a little favor, okay? Do a favor for a friend and just subscribe to the channel, because it really helps with people just coming to the channel and us being able to produce more videos for you. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I know Alfie and Penny aren't here, but they really do appreciate all of your love and support. And you can find us on Instagram, Rebecca-Louise Fitness, and of course on the Burn Instagram if you're part of our Burn community as well. So let's get going. We are gonna do a lovely yoga circuit workout today. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna come to the top of our mat. We're gonna wiggle our feet down onto the ground, slight bend, rotate those shoulders back, and let's just take a nice big breath in. So inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Let's take it one more time. So inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. So really just get centered here with your feet. Rotate those shoulders back, hands and palms facing upwards, and just release those shoulders away from the ears. Give yourself a smile, give yourself some love, because today we're gonna feel amazing. We are gonna work on our bodies. You're gonna feel relaxed, you're gonna feel like you've done some strength training, and we are gonna just feel the burn. So I want you to walk those hands all the way down to your mat, and then just hold it here into a high plank. Pull that belly button in towards the spine, and then send those hips up to the sky, and gently push your heels and just pedal them out into the ground. Keep your arms nice and straight. Push those fingertips into the ground, and let's take it still. Push that chest down. Inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. And let's come back into that high plank, and then you're gonna walk all the way to the top. And we're just gonna keep on adding new exercises and new moves. So we're gonna come all the way down to the ground. You can come down to your knees if you want to. You're gonna hold it here, pulling that belly button in towards the spine for me, and then sending those hips up to the sky and push those heels into the ground. Okay, you're gonna come back to that high plank, and then we're going to add on. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna take it as a twist to one side, bring it back to the middle, and then all the way up to the other side. If you wanna come down onto your knees, perfect. Hold it here, and then walk it all the way up together. So it's kind of like a choreographed dance, okay? You can flow with it, adding your own little moves, but we're gonna walk all the way down to the ground. Hold that plank, squeeze those abs in, send those hips up to the sky, pedal those feet out, loosen up those calf muscles, loosen up those hamstrings. Take a moment, breathe in, and exhale out. Inhale into that high plank, and then take twist from one side all the way to the other. Okay, let's add on. You're gonna come here and you're going to extend back into that downward facing dog. Extend that right leg up, keeping that foot flexed, and you're gonna step it all the way through into a high lunge. Bring those arms all the way up to the top, and we're just gonna pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down to the ground. Send that foot back and back into that downward facing dog. Same on the other side. So flex that left foot. Take a moment to breathe. All the way through into that high lunge. Come down and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release those hands down to the ground. And we are gonna come back into that high plank and send your fingertips all the way to your toes until you're standing all the way up. Okay, let's take it down again. So walking all the way down. Hands underneath your shoulders. Take a moment here to breathe. Pull your belly button in towards the spine. Push your fingertips down into the mat and send your hips up to the sky. Pedal those feet out nice and slow. 1 and 2. Push those hands into the ground. Take a nice big breath in. And as you breathe out, push that chest a little bit closer to the mat, and then release your heels down. come back into that high plank and over into a side plank. 1, nice and slow and controlled, and 2. And let's send those hips back up to the sky. Lift that right leg up and swoop it all the way through. Back into those pulses. So arms lifted. We're going to take it to 1, 2, 3. That's it. Keep pulsing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down to the ground. Send that leg back and back into downward facing dog. Take it again on that left side. Flex that heel, push the other heel down into the ground and step it through into a high lunge. Bring those hands all the way up to the top and let's go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down to the ground. Send that left leg back, extend up. Hi there, Penny. Into a downward facing dog. Come back up onto your high plank, and then we're just going to take one knee out at a time. And we're going to do 4 here. That's it. So it's 2, 3, 4. Modified version, you're going to come down to your knees. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Back up onto that high plank. And send your fingertips all the way up to your toes, all the way up to standing. Now take a nice big rotation at the top here. Release those shoulders down and let's take it away again. So walking gently all the way out. Hold that high plank. Everything is going to be slow and controlled. Send those hips up to the sky and take a nice big breath in. Inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Come back into that high plank and twist over to one side, lift up, back to the center, and then all the way up to the sky. Bring it back to that high plank, send those hips up to the sky, and extend that right leg up. And step it all the way through. Lift those arms up over the top of your head, and we're gonna pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, good job, 2, 1, hands down to the ground, send that leg up and back into downward facing dog and extend that left leg up to the sky. Step it all the way through, lift those arms up over the top of your head and let's go. You're gonna great arm burn in here as well for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hands down to the ground, send that leg all the way back, keep it nice and flexed and back into a downward facing dog. Bring up into a high plank and let's go for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this time you're gonna sit back down into your heels into a child's pose. So we're gonna bring those palms up this time. Release your head down to the ground, your forehead is on your mat, and just try and sit your butt on your heels. It's really important, I'm trying to get that butt to heel connection. So let everything else go. Lifting your shoulders up, your palms facing to the sky, and then releasing your head all the way down. And let's just take a moment here to breathe. So inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Okay, you're gonna come back into a tabletop. You're gonna have your hands right underneath your shoulders, okay? Your hips on top of your knees, and we're going to extend that right hand forward and that left arm back. So extend out here and then back to center, and let's take it over to the other side. Extend, back to center. Now, if you just want to take your one leg back at a time, that's fine. It's not going to be arched like this. Everything is staying nice and controlled. See, my back isn't moving. I am just engaging my core and extending the leg back. So let's take that one more time if you want to add those arms in. So right arm forward, left arm back, and left arm forward, right arm back. Okay, we're going to add on. So you're going to extend that right arm forward. You're going to bring it in towards your waist and extend all the way out and back down to the ground. Let's switch over to the other side. So all the way out, bring your head to knee, extend, hold it, and back to center. Okay, same again. Just extend that arm and leg, hold there for a moment. We're not going to bring it in, and switch over to the other side. Extend all the way, hold, pull that belly button in, bring it back to the center, and this time extend that arm, extend that leg, bring that knee to nose connection all the way out bring your hands back to tabletop, extend your arm out in front, bring it into the center, and then all the way out again, okay? We're gonna add on. So extend your right arm, your left leg, come into center, all the way out, and this time grab the back of your leg and extend and lift all the way up to the sky. That's it, take a nice breath. Inhale and exhale. Take that all the way through, hold it there, and bring that hand back to center, and extend that other arm out. Bring it into center, and all the way, and grab that leg on the outside, lift up throughout the chest. If you can't lift your leg, keep your leg down and extend your arm out to the back so you can still feel that stretch. So lift up, 3, 2, 1, and release down. And we're gonna go into a child's pose, but keeping your feet together. Release your arms to the side and relax your head all the way down. Take a breath in here. Inhale and exhale all the way out. Oh my goodness, what a nice little stretch. And you can do this in the morning. Maybe that you want to do this just before you go to bed, help you sleep better. And of course, we've got the rest of the workout up on Burn. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you on our next workout.